You might have heard it said, fake it till you make it. But I'm here to tell you that you can't manifest anything by pretending to feel good. I'm a law of attraction expert, and here's a secret no one talks about. You cannot manifest just by pretending to feel good. What does it mean to pretend? Pretend means I'm empty inside, but I'm going to let you know that my tank is full. That is pretending. Pretending means putting on a facade, wearing a mask. Wearing a smile on your face does not mean that you're happy inside. How many of us know that? I know that. I can pretend to put a mask on my face. That does not mean that I'm happy. So pretending to feel good is not actually the equivalent of feeling good. Many people think that they need to fake happiness to attract what they want, but that's not how the universe works. Many people think that generosity means I should give away even though I don't have enough for my own needs, and then the universe will respond with generosity towards me. That's not how it works, because internally you are not feeling full. And so true manifestation comes from authentic emotion. It's not enough to act happy if deep down you are filled with doubt or frustration or pain. Your real vibration, what you truly feel, is what the universe is responding to. What you truly feel always shows up and determines what you attract. If you're thinking positive thoughts but still feeling lack or fear, that underlying emotion is what the universe is responding to. So how do you get out of this trap? It's simple. Stop pretending and find alignment. Find a subject that is easy to be happy about. Don't try and fake it, but actually focus on things that really actually make you feel happy. For me, that is talking about food. It's talking about trees. I absolutely go gaga over trees, especially in the fall. So we need to shift our focus to thoughts that feel authentically good. Like squeezing the life out of my kitty cat. Like squeezing the life out of my dog. Like watching baby videos and pictures and holding a baby in my arms and wanting to squeeze the baby. Those things that authentically feel good help us to send out an authentically positive vibration into the universe, and then the universe responds by bringing us all those things that match that vibration. And that's why it is not a good thing to tell a lie. Because when we are telling a lie, we are not in alignment with the positive emotions of love and hope and joy. Find that thing that is easy to love in your life, and then just milk the life out of it. And then watch how the magic unfolds before you. I'm Zehra, and I want you to remember, all things are possible.